Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is crispy onion rings. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. While you read through the list of ingredients, why not click the subscribe button, or indeed if you feel like it, the notification bell so you don't miss any future recipes. Anyway, back to today's recipe. Put the flour, salt, pepper and smoked paprika in a bowl. Add splashes of water, mixing all the time until a nice gloopy batter is achieved. When you've made the batter, it's time to submerge the onion rings into the mix. Make sure every onion ring is fully covered in the batter mix. But be careful because you don't want to break the rings, after all it's onion rings not onion strips. When the onion rings are coated in the batter mix, it's off to the breadcrumbs. When all the onion rings are covered in the breadcrumbs, it's time to fry them. To do this, simply heat enough oil in a pan to deep fry up to a temperature of 180 degrees C and fry off in batches. Now I'd like to say that these onion rings stay crispy for hours, and maybe they do, because they never last more than 20 minutes in our house. Sometimes they won't even wait till I finish taking the photographs. Hope you enjoyed this recipe, and maybe we'll see you soon again sometime. Bye for now.